7. Money mistakes that keep people broke. Avoid these now. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I just got paid, so where did all my money go? The truth is, most people stay broke not because they don't earn enough money, but because of a few financial habits they don't even realize they have. And once you notice these habits, you start seeing them everywhere. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 money mistakes that keep people broke, and more importantly, what you can do instead. Let's get started. 1. Saving what's left instead of paying yourself first. One of the most common money mistakes people make is saving whatever happens to be left at the end of the month. The problem is, there's usually nothing left. Bills show up, groceries, gas, random purchases, and before you know it, the paycheck is gone. A much better strategy is to pay yourself first. That simply means when you get paid, a portion of that money goes directly into savings before you spend anything else. Even if it's just $25 or $50 to start, the habit matters more than the amount. Once saving becomes automatic, it stops feeling like a sacrifice and starts becoming part of your routine. 2. Lifestyle inflation. This is something that traps a lot of people. Every time their income increases, their lifestyle increases too. They get a raise, and suddenly there's a nicer apartment, a newer car, more takeout, and upgraded subscriptions. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's one of the fastest ways to stay broke even while making more money. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle every time your income grows, try upgrading your savings and investments first. If you can control lifestyle inflation, you give yourself the chance to actually build wealth. 3. Ignoring small daily spending. Most people worry about big expenses, but it's actually the small daily spending that quietly drains your bank account. Coffee runs, food delivery, impulse purchases, subscription services. None of these seem expensive in the moment, but when you add them up over time, the numbers can be shocking. For example, spending just $15 a day on small purchases adds up to more than $5,000 a year. That's money that could be going towards savings, investments, or paying down debt. The key isn't cutting out everything you enjoy. It's simply becoming aware of where your money is going. 4. Carrying high-interest credit card debt. Credit card debt is one of the most expensive financial traps people fall into. Many credit cards charge interest rates of 20% or more. That means if you carry a balance, the interest keeps growing every single month. A purchase that originally cost $500 can end up costing hundreds more over time. This is why focusing on paying down high-interest debt is one of the best financial moves you can make. Once that debt is gone, you free up money that can finally start working for you. 5. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Medical bills appear. Unexpected expenses show up when you least expect them. And when people don't have an emergency fund, they usually rely on credit cards or loans to handle the situation. That's how many people end up trapped in cycles of debt. A good starting goal is $1,000 in emergency savings. Eventually, you want to build that up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but the important thing is simply starting. Having that financial cushion can give you peace of mind and protect your financial future. 6. Not tracking where your money goes. A lot of people think they know where their money goes. But when they actually track their spending, they're surprised. Small leaks appear everywhere. Subscriptions they forgot about. Extra takeout. Online impulse purchases. Tracking your spending doesn't mean restricting yourself. It simply gives you awareness and control. And once you see the numbers clearly, it becomes much easier to make smarter financial decisions. Many people discover they can free up $100 to $300 a month just by adjusting a few habits. 7. Waiting too long to start investing. The final mistake that keeps many people broke is waiting too long to start investing. A lot of people say things like, I'll start investing when I make more money, but time is actually one of the most powerful tools when it comes to building wealth. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. Someone who starts investing early, even with small amounts, can end up with far more money than someone who waits until later in life. The most important thing is simply getting started. Even $50 or $100 a month invested consistently can make a big difference over the long run. If you noticed something about these money mistakes, most of them aren't about intelligence. They're about habits. Saving last instead of first. Letting lifestyle inflation creep in. Ignoring small spending. But the good news is habits can change. And even small adjustments can completely transform your financial future. Start by choosing 1 or 2 habits from this list and work on improving them. Because building wealth usually doesn't happen from one big decision. It happens from small, consistent financial choices over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart money tips. And I'm curious, which one of these money mistakes do you think people make the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.